My name is Renee. I got into boat ownership like 13, 14 years ago, I guess. A few years after that, I bought my next boat. And then when I wanted to sell it, I was very slow in getting organized to sell it. And at the end of 2021, last year, I really needed to sell quick for some personal reasons. Yeah, I just needed, some help with that. When I realized, okay, I have to sell this boat now, and I had a timeline, which was actually, I think, something like 6 weeks, I wanted to get it sold. I then contacted Patrick. Well, we had a conversation on Zoom first, and then William came down and had a look around, took pictures and some videos. And then it went fairly quickly. We agreed to it at this timeline. And then it was, for me, it was hands off. I didn't have to do anything else. You guys took care of it and made some nice videos, and then did lots of promotion that I saw on various sites and emails. I think one of the main benefits is the database you guys have of websites, of Facebook pages, web pages, and you do all the ads. And it would have taken me months to get all of that data together. So that saved me an immense amount of time and effort and probably frustration. You guys sent over this like a summary a couple of times of how many hits, how many people had clicked through. So it made it relatable. I could understand what was going on. If I had just paid the money and they said, yeah, we did this and this and this, then I could say, well, I hope you did this and this, but you actually came through and there were very specific numbers. So I think that was the actual numbers that you had. And so that gave me confidence that you were pushing things out. And I did, of course, look around on Facebook and stuff at different groups, and I saw, and even friends of mine said, oh, you're selling your boat. I saw this online. I would probably still be sitting with that boat and being frustrated and having to figure out how to sell it myself. Eventually it would have been sold, but I have a feeling it would have taken a lot longer, and I would have been paying out heavy berthing fees because I was keeping the yacht in the marina as a visitor, no longer under contract. That was more than double my normal rate. So that would have hurt. I'm not an expat on a nice package, so. Take the heartache and the headache out of it and give it to people who know the market and have that experience. And I think you guys are a good team, and the people that work with you are very competent. So yeah, I would say no hesitation.